Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to the video today. I'm standing right outside of a gym right now and I want to do this special video for you about attracting more customers so you can get leads and sales. I have a really good message to share with you, so I'm glad you're here today. But if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos to help you every single day, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and it's that time. Let's talk about it. How you can get more leads and sales by using some attraction marketing techniques, some strategies of your business. So if you're a business owner right now and you're wondering, how do I get more leads and sales? Well, I'm going to tell you a couple of things you can do. Now, when I first started my journey, I wasn't doing these techniques. I didn't understand attraction marketing. I didn't understand that people want to buy things from me. And the thing is that people want a brand. People want to join under somebody that's an authority. So the first thing I would recommend you do is start working on your brand. Number one, attracting. You want to attract more people to you so you can get leads and sales. Yes, you can run paid traffic. Yes, but at the end of the day, you're still going to have to brand yourself to get even more leads and sales in your business. Work on your brand, work on what are you going to serve? Who is your target market? Are you targeting young college students that wants to make extra money online, right? Are you targeting young women between the age of 20 and 30 that wants to start their own business? You just got to think about what are you targeting? Think about what you represent. Think about the situation you're in, right? And that will help with your target market and how you're going to brand yourself. What are you going to serve? What are you going to sell? What type of value you're going to give out to the marketplace on each and every single day? So branding yourself is a very high technique, high strategy. I would say strategy about traction marketing for people can follow you and they can get more leads and sales from you. Now, you may have another opportunity, a company that you're working for or representing, but ultimately you want people to follow you. So brand yourself. And number two, I'm gonna give you two tips here. And number two, one is branding yourself. And number two, you need to have a platform that you're going to serve. So if it's social media, pick a platform, one or two of them, like YouTube. You're gonna do YouTube videos about that product, attracting more people, and make sure you give value and content and teach people how they can get, how they can use this product. Teach people how they can have success with this product or your services, things like that. So number one, brand yourself. And number two, choose a platform. Social media, you got Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. You can do email marketing. You can have a blog, a website. Find a platform where you feel comfortable, where you can attract people to your website or to your social media channel, and you can give value based on what you're serving. Number one is branding, and number two, find a platform that you want to serve. That's how you can attract more people to your channel and to your website. So those are the tips here, how you can attract more people, more customers into your business so you can generate more leads and sales. Right? I know, right? It's pretty cool, because once you got your niche down, whatever you're serving, if you're in the make money online niche, the dating relationship niche, or even if you're in the niche of health and wellness. I'm just giving you three popular niches out there in 2020. The second thing, branding. The next thing, you want to go ahead and choose a channel that you go ahead and serve your marketplace at. That is gold. So those are the things right there. Go out there and crush it in 2020. And don't forget, if you're looking for an opportunity for 2020 where you want to start your online business, make money online, make that extra money, or you need to learn how to market and service your products, click on the link below. I do have a training there to go ahead and help you out where you can have success in 2020. Yes, it is time. It is time to have success in 2020. So if you're here and you're like, well, I don't have an opportunity where I can start a brand, or I don't know a social media channel to start, well, I'll start out getting the training right below this video. I do have training here if we can get you started step by step, and you'll go ahead and have success in your business. Have a chance to have success in your business, because results are not typical, but I believe you can do it in 2020. Click on the link below and I'll see you on the inside. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this message because I care about you and I can't wait to do a video for you tomorrow. Click on the link below and I'll see you on the inside.